You need capital to trade, and you need to stay in the game to trade. So trade as small as you can. But as other folks have said, to me, a trader is learning the essence of the trade. Learning, as other folks have said more eloquently than I can, how does that trade work in good markets, bad markets, this markets, bad markets? You can only also find the expectancy of a trade by having multiple trade results, which means you have to rinse and repeat the same trade over and over and over. And then, as I've said in the past, then you learn and get the right to decide want to morph it or change it to the existing market conditions. But you can only do that if you stick to one trade over and over again. All of the trades that we talk about in these communities are all revolve around, for the most part, verticals. So you should become an expert at verticals, period.